It's that time of year. Whether you tarp or wrap, having a sail or powerboat, you'll need to build a frame. The commercial wrappers use temporary framing, usually wood, but we're going to be able to use ours year after year. I'm using this plastic conduit that bends. If my French is correct, it's made in the USA and is for underground electrical applications. You can easily cut it with a handsaw and drill it with a hand drill. Before we start, let's make a list of necessities. You'll need a saw, a drill and bits, some screws, a bunch of fittings. I'll explain more about that later. The conduit, of course, and some zip ties and some foam insulation that would go around water pipes. Now, I'm lucky because my conduit fits into my stanchion fittings. But if you don't have that, or it doesn't work in your case, you can drill the pipe and use zip ties. For additional assurance, I drilled and added zip ties anyway. The first step is to decide how many of these ribs you want along the length of the hull. Keep in mind, you'll be reinforcing them along the length of the boat and may also want to support them. So these T-junctions that are one size larger than the pipe are very useful. By drilling a couple of holes and placing screws, you can put them where you want. Make sure the screws never come in contact with the tarp because it will snag and cause a tear in the tarp. Also, use this pipe insulator or pool noodle, if you don't have one of those, to cover any sharp edges, especially at the corner. This will prevent the tarp from being ripped, so you can use it for many years. So here we are, ready for tarping. This took just a little over 2 hours to do this 26-foot boat. In the spring, you can quickly disassemble it, but do mark where each piece goes using an indelible marker so you can put it back together the following year. I hope you found this video useful. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please type them under comments below. If you are tarping a sailboat with the mast up, we have a video for that. May also be interested in our other do-it-yourself videos. I'm Alan Stokel. Thank you for watching.